Thanksgiving ideas number 7, the setup. You can see the classic setup with the turkey on the side and dressing and prime rib. But there's also the vegetables. It goes along well with dishes that are meat heavy like turkey and prime rib. You have veggies served with hummus to bring a little bit of Mediterranean or Middle Eastern flavor to the Thanksgiving meal, as well as asparagus sitting next to string beans. You can see the asparagus have pine nuts and olive oil on it. And next to this is classic salad. To the left of that, you have broccoli, salad next to it, cream spinach next to the creamy mac and cheese. Goes well with stuffing on the side or anything else that requires a little bit of gravy. Mac and cheese and spinach go well with that. Now, the broccoli salad right here has grapes and looks like some sort of mayonnaise, which may not be appealing to all, but some people like that. And don't forget the gravy, or else you'll have a lot of people who will be upset to go along with the mashed potatoes.